Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can trade Bitcoin in Exness. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's easy and simple. So first of all, make sure you log into your Exness account. Click on my account, then choose the account you want. If it's demo or real, for me, I will use this one. Click on or this one. Click trade. Click on Exness terminal. Then here you can choose BTC as you can see. If you can't see it here, click on plus and on search type BTC, Bitcoin. And as you can see here, we have Bitcoin. So let's change this candle color. Okay. So let's say you want to buy on the market. You want to place a buy market. Buy with the price of the market. Just click buy. Choose the lot, how many lots you want, then click on confirm. As you can see here, we have the asset, we have the type, it's a buy, we have the lot here, the price, the opening price, and the current price. We can add a take profit here and a stop loss from here. And this is the PNL, how much are we winning or losing. So you can close the order from here. So let's say you want to sell the market, sell on this price, click sell, then click on confirm. The same thing, let's close it. So let's say you want to buy on a specific price. It's called buy limit. So let's say I want to buy here on 66,180. Just click buy, then click on pending and type that number here, 180, as you can see. Then click on confirm. And as you can see here, we have buy limit on this price. If you want to make a sell limit, the same thing. Click on sell, then click on pending, choose the lot, and add the price you want here. Then click on confirm sell. So let's say you want to add take profit. So let's say you want to take on a specific price, this one. Click confirm and take profit he will be in this price. Let's say you want a specific amount of money. Just go to price and choose in money. And you can choose $100, $20, any price you want. Then click on confirm. Same thing. If you want to add it to pips, to calculate it with pips, you can use pips or in percentage if you want. So same thing with the stop loss. You can type here your stop loss, your price, or let's say I can lose only $100. Click on in money and type it here. Let's say $100. I only can use $100 or 10 pips or 20 pips. And that's it. This is how you can trade Bitcoin on Exness. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.